Hey everybody, what's up? I'm Mason the Mason. In this video, I'm going to show you how to finish concrete around a drain pipe. So, what the drain is all the concrete is slanted in. I got a hump here, but it's all pointing down into this. So, you pretty much have to finish it the same exact way it was poured. You can't like decide to go sideways across this. You have to match what you're doing here. Like, you can't just go like that. You leave horrible lines in it. So you just have to go in circles like that. You kind of gotta figure out how to move your hands around. But sometimes I'll just like stop and do that. You don't want to tip it up too high. You'll rip the cream away like that. Sometimes if there's like holes that you can't fill in, instead of going the same way every time, you can go back the other way. Make sure you're trying to keep your trowel as flat as possible, so it looks something like that. Make sure there's no holes in it. And yeah, finishing all around this, around the edges here. I'm putting a lot of pressure on my palm here, and I'm holding the back of my trowel too. So I'm putting pressure, at least along the wall, so I can get a nice finish along the wall. Notice I'm messing my drain up, but that's okay because we gotta get the whole thing looking nice. So now that you did that, let's start over here. Get rid of that line. Get rid of that line. Get rid of that. Sometimes you gotta do a little more messing around. And the goal is to have it as flat as possible with no lines in the concrete. Same exact motion until you get it all cleaned up. And it should look like that. So if you got any questions, just drop them in the comments. I'll be happy to answer them. And thanks for watching.